Hello, I'm Mark McCloskey with Kyntronics, and I'm here to welcome you to the first episode of Ask the Expert video series. In this series, we get a lot of great questions, and we're here to tackle them head on. So let's start with the one that we hear all the time from the field. What makes a hybrid linear actuator hybrid? And I'm here to answer that. So here you have a hybrid linear actuator, and what makes it hybrid is that it combines the best features of both two proven technologies, one being electromechanical screw-type devices, and the other being traditional hydraulics, HPUs. So combining the best of both, we are able to get a hybrid system. With a hybrid system, we have energy savings, power on demand, accurate position and force control, as well as high shock load tolerance and higher IP ratings. So with the system, it's very appealing to multiple applications in the field, different industries, and we can dive into that as more as we go. You could submit your questions online or feel free to contact an expert at Kyntronics.com. Thank you.